Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys, how can we set guys default text size in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to set guys your Infinix phone default text size. So how can you set and how can you use guys your default text size setting today? Friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you will have to click on guys your Infinix phone display and brightness. Friends, click on display and brightness. And first click on guys the font size means text size guys, simple text guys. You can see guys your text size, so friends you can customize means guys you can set according to yourself. And friends we want to set default size, so I will click on default size. And friends come back, so friends our text size will default and we can use guys our Infinix phone guys the default text sizes. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set default text size in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends, we will meet on the next video guys.